There are integrations that you can use, and in order for you to connect that other application to Docs, you need to enable these apps. So for instance, maybe you have a data collector running ArcGIS Pro, and then all I've got to do is install this connector. And then when I'm in ArcGIS Pro, I can now push data into my projects. So this is at the account level. So this will be available for all projects in the account. There's tons of apps in here. I wouldn't even begin to know which ones would necessarily be appropriate for you, but there's all sorts of things here. Goodness gracious. There's a Civil 3D app. There's a Depth XR for reality capture. Maybe you're using Drone Deploy, right? There's all sorts of connectors here. Maybe you've got a CAM set up for your project, right? So lots of apps in here. And all you've got to do is simply install it. It doesn't mean you necessarily have a license for that app. It just means that app can now get access once you do have a license. What if the thing that I use isn't in this list? Well, you can hire a programmer. There are programmers out there for Autodesk apps, and they can put that app in here as a custom integration. So that's the high level aspect of everything.